Okay, without a rudder, if you notice I got a pretty good, maybe a quartering wind here. And without a rudder you wouldn't be able to do this. Pretty good risk to the boat from the wind, being able to hold the line. And here it's really not that the wind is up so high, it's a tolerable wind, but it's really cold. It's bitter cold. And when I checked, the wind chill was 18. I imagine it's probably come up a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. The wetness, so good dry gloves, good change of gloves, glove liners, polypropylene, waterproof pants, plenty of layers, good dry duct, polypropylene system underneath it. So cold is not the issue, getting wet is the issue, and keeping the tips of my fingers warm. Just not too bad. If anything, this is a good shakedown for the winter tournament. See how we do out here in the cold in this Predator, but so far so good. These are difficult conditions, and as difficult as I would want to get, it's doable. But you can see here, I got about 16 knots quartering, and it's doable. Fish aren't cooperating, but I think that's me. So, and I know that ranger up there thinks I'm totally nuts, so. But there's a couple other nuts out here too, so that's a unique nut. Predator's performing great in these kind of conditions. Nothing's coming in. Get over here and warm up a while and give it another hour or two. Trying this. Whew. Make you feel alive out here today. This is what it's about. It's easy to get out in the easy conditions. It's when you can get out and function in the trying conditions that makes the difference. Between I don't know what, crazy and sane, but here it is.